Hello everyone. In this video of today, we are going to discuss about the trend of poverty in India. That is the number and percentage of poor. Now, let's move ahead and please understand that all of you know that poverty is not a problem which has arisen in India of late. India has dealt with poverty not now but from a long time. And not one or two people, but lakhs and crores of people have been affected by the poverty. Now, when we see the trend, the first thing that we take a notice of is that if we compare the 2 years mentioned over here in this video, that is from the 1960s to 2010 2012, one thing you can see is that with time poverty has reduced. With time poverty has reduced. That it started with 17-20 crores, it went to 40.7 crores, and now by 2011-12 it has come down to 27 crores. And the percentage of poor in the total population have also reduced from 30. You can see it went as high as till 45, 46, 48%, but has reduced to 22%. Now, so in other words, we can say that the trend of poverty in our country is that it started, it increased, but now with time both the total number of poor and the percentage of population in poverty both has reduced. However, there is another thing that we should take a note of, that all the states in our country do not have equal numbers of poor. Both are different in means poverty, the level of poverty in different states are different. But one common scenario which is present in almost all the states of our country is that there are two types of poverty which is existing. One is called as rural poverty, that is the number of poor in rural areas, and number two, urban poverty, that is the percentage of poor in urban areas. Well, before we move ahead, first of all, please understand that urban poverty has increased because of the issue of migration. Rural people from their places have migrated to urban areas, and because of that, if they have not been able to get a job over there, it has increased the percentage of poor in urban areas, and this is the reason why in urban areas also number of poor were high. So when you see rural poverty and urban poverty, the poor in rural areas are called as rural poor, and the poor in urban areas are called as urban poor. This is what exactly means by rural poor and urban poor. Rural poor means those people who are landless workers, and or even if they have land, they have very small piece of land which does not add anything to their income. While the urban poor generally consist of those migrants who have moved from the rural areas to urban areas in search of employment. However, just like poverty, with time, both this rural poverty and urban poverty has declined. And just to give you a data, from 1975 to 2000 and around 2010, while rural poverty has reduced from 55% to 25%, during the same period, urban poverty has reduced from 40% to around 14%. But now, there are some observations that we are making about some interstate comparison. That, number one, as to what I told you a minute back, different percentage of population below poverty line is different in different states of India. First one. Second one's about interstate comparison. It says that the number of poor mostly in our country is present in UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and all those areas. While where the number of poor, percentage of population in poverty in these states ranges from somewhere around 25 to 35%, while some of the states like Punjab and Haryana are well established states where the percentage of poverty in the total population ranges only from 8 to 12%. So which clearly shows that there is huge comparison between different states of our country. But But one main reason of increasing number of poverty in our country has been the overall increase in the population which compared to the time. As population has increased, it has led to the increase in total number of poor in the country. Despite a fall in the percentage number, the percentage might have fallen, but the total numbers have increased only because of the increase in the population. So I hope with this video you have understood the interstate comparison of rural and urban poverty, number one, and also the percentage of population in different states. Well, in the next video we will be talking about the causes and what has been the measures which has been taken by the government. Thank you everyone.